Hi guys, welcome back. So this time I'm going to use a 12 by 12 tile and we'll see if it works. I hope you enjoy it and fingers crossed. Here we go. Okay, so another thing is my recipe. The recipe is identical to Melly D's. She did mix on camera showing you how much liquitex she puts in, but unless I missed the video, I didn't see her make the paints from start to finish. So what I did was I filled my cup with paint right to here, okay? So ultimately it was about like a heaping tablespoon of paint, all right? And then I took my liquitex, and I have it in a small bottle because I have a gallon jug, but I opened it and I just drizzled it, made like a thin layer of liquitex on top of the paint. And then I stirred that up, and I probably added like 1 to 2 times more water than there was volume of the paint. So if I had an ounce of paint, I probably added 1 to 2 ounces of water by the time it was all said and done. If this goes well, I will do another video and mix my paints on camera for you and explain everything in more detail if you would like it. So, let's get started. So here we are, fully dry. I don't know if you can see the color shifting on camera, but man, is it so pretty. I'll show you. That gold just pops like crazy. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I cannot wait to get resin on this. So, I put iridescent iridescent fluid acrylics into the white and the ultramarine blue. And then of course it spread throughout the colors, but that iridescent fluid acrylics are just phenomenal. I believe it was a violet green. So as soon as I put resin on this, it'll bring it back and you'll be able to see, you know, all the color shifting in it. So if you enjoyed this video, I will do another one. I'm gonna get I think a 24 by 24 inch canvas and go really big next time. And I'll walk you guys through from start to finish, especially for those of you who are having trouble achieving the effect. I'll break it down and hopefully get you where you need to be. So, alright everybody, well thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!